Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful vase that I've paired with a couple of daisy flowers. So for this I've taken a terracotta vase. This is just from my garden. In addition to this I have some Craftsmart paint. I have blue and I have navy, and I will be combining the two to create a nice blue color. And then I've also just taken a paintbrush. So here I have combined the paints to make a nice blue that matches the American flag color. And now all I'm going to do is paint the terracotta pot completely. So for me this only took one coat. If your coats need to be thicker, apply 2 or 3, just depending on your preference. So I painted the whole thing, and now make sure that you get the top edge here. This is often missed, so make sure that you get this very nicely and make sure that you get every single bit. And then also I have just made sure to go in 1 inch into the pot so that you get a nice blue color all the way in before you add whatever you would like to add, so that it adds a more of a finished look to the pot. So now that this whole pot has dried, this is what it looks like. So I added the 1 inch on the inside and then painted the whole entire pot. It's okay if there are little cracks, it's fine because the paint will cover that up. So now I'm going to show you a few ideas on how to decorate these / put them to use. So here I've taken 2 pieces of crumpled paper, and then I made these stars a while back. So I have just added these paper stars to the top, like so, and then I just kind of arranged them. So this is a very cute DIY if you were to make many white stars. It would look very nice. For the second one, I have taken a piece of red nylon cloth, and you can actually use this to tie a bow around the center of the pot. And then the third idea involves using paper stars, so I cut these out with a puncher, and then I found this red and blue sparkly tape that I will be using personally. So for this, I just basically added the tape and then glued on the stars in such a pattern as shown. This is what it looks like. The tape was a little hard to get on perfectly, but I managed that. So this is what it looks like now. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, happy 4th of July. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this one.